Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Mentau Usnam kidan hadu Ngut ki Khynnah School jangka St Anthony's Higher Secondary School kiblayo Rung hakathop jangka top 20 pat kini gadi kasin Pyndonkam bakin don hadu Ngut Hindre manla Usnam kijudan tanglai nesangut. Habekal muweni Khynnah ublayo banbat de kedan ke bahinyau ulaya tho baka Pyndonkam jangka CM guidebook kalongkum ka artificial intelligence. Bagi syok ki Khynnah bakindang ban Pyndonkam bagi dia ban ngotho bagi AI kamla ban mi bujli ya ki breu kum taru ke CM guidebook kan omla ban mi bujli ya kot puli haskul hinde gide bandang kumnu Pyndonkam yaka. So we padu Khynnah buan ha kedan ke bakhat we ulong bahaba puli om de ban shim banla puli jubor bet lani ban shapin bor ban puli kot hindre de ban shim ke jing puli kot ru kum ke jing sngotanan ya ka baklam dan nong ong ru ki Khynnah ki ngotho hi bat kwahi habla de ka por.
From the beginning of class 10, my study duration fluctuated. I did not study for a constant amount of time. Sometimes I would study for 6 hours. Sometimes I would study for 3 hours. But from the month of December, I was really putting in a lot of effort, and I studied from 12 to 15 hours a day. Social media is like a coin. It has two sides. It completely depends on how you use it. If you just use it for recreation, for knowing what is happening in the world, it is not going to really affect you in a negative way. But now if you are enslaved by that social media, then of course it is really going to impact you negatively. Actually, I use the CM Impact guidebook because I believe that the guidebook is just like AI. People, they say that AI is going to replace people and eat up jobs, but it is not like that. AI is something, you can say, those who know how to use AI will replace the ones who don't know how to use. And I think same is with Same Impact also. If you use it along with your NCRT, if you do the reading, then it is good. But if you just read your NCRT and you don't use the guidebook, then I think it is you will definitely not be in an advantageous position compared to others. So you have to use the guidebook because they are giving. So what can you do?
Yeah, I am feeling good, but I thought that I could do better, so I will try harder for my 12th board examinations. My expectations while preparation was that, I expected to come within the 10th rank, but I could not do so. So, but the 11th position is great, but I will try harder. Yeah, I worked really hard during the winter vacation. I used to study a lot, 10 to 12 hours a day. So it was not an easy task, but I did it. So, I'm here now. My future plans are I plan on taking up science and I want to pursue a career in aviation, whether become a pilot or I want to appear for the NDA examinations and join the army. My message will be that studying, it should be fun. You should not force yourself to study. I didn't force myself. I studied when I liked. There were days I didn't study, but I covered it up the other day. So you should be constant, disciplined. So that is how you can surpass me also. So that is how I did it.
Kumaga ni gesni kalau gesni ke bakerpang bat ka de gesni jong ke jingke kru ya ke school jungi namara ngi I ha ka result ka ba nilayo amta jong ke SSLC ka de ke babha bat ka ba bhatam ban hakwi kwi kisnem man kwi kisnem ni juyo ki position south san man tangi la nang kiu so sha ka ba poi sha ka real position but I Khynnah ki bayo ya ki highest marks in the subject ni don lightly haki mathematics biyo shispa biyo haka science don shispa computer science health education tu shispa then kong yang ni ju ong mo success begins in the smallest thing and a day to day perseverance te jing yo I ge jonga ka de ka ba ngi de ngida I kublei ka pang ni ya ki Khynnah ki blale bha amar de ke jing trish tom bat ke jing ya ne ke jing puli ke jing minot to testa ke jong ki kalai lam yaki shakajing job mengingi dei tangki nong ai mesim ki ba pen i ki ba yarap ba kentu ki ba pen hikai mo rei ka bo jong ka don ba don kamon ka don bit kalat kelenti tengi jum motivate ki kena berbor te nga ai kublei shi bun ai kini ki kena jungi na mal kila pass 100% hamtam ha ka skur jungi ni don bat ka day bat ka evening hoi na ki ar haja na ki ar spa Khynnah ngut ki ba appear ke exams ki pass ar spa nyo noi ki don ar ngut pat ki badang day na evening section kita ki day Khynnah ki baduna noi wat na evening section ngi la pha lu di Khynnah le si ki khem tri stom ni wat kata pat na ka day section ke day 100 upon 100 she's pa percent play pass ha but can repeatedly every year na ka day section ni ju yo 100% kajing snunguru ka day yaki no hikai ki bala guide yaki kila buddi naki kila ya shat ki mo ya shat na koi ke post ke jilong Khynnah te teng ni tip ba ki ju ya mo wrong track wrong direction re ka de ka bo jo ka jing perseverance ka commitment ka dedication jo kinoi naki ba kila ha koi ke por lada ki trace tom menta singi i ba ka jing trace tom jo ki klaw seyo ba pun hun om tang yaki Khynnah re ki mi ki pa school jing nang jing start sa ka jing pau ha ka jing hikai ha ba bun ba kiliang takum tahi nga so de ko we bentar ban so ngu yo play mar klam ka jing rap klam ka jing ku jo play ni mula ban trace tom daladi ka jing trace tom jing Khynnah ka jing bo lang jing kai ba ka jing I'm sim jing ki ba nya school ki wara kanya kita ki so ki ba nyalam hi shu ba kinang de ha ha ki ne ki por ki jing puli ko jugi ban so ban Pyndonkam ya school jungi ningkong naga ngu i ba kata ke education kala nang kat kum ke jing pe junga i kala nang kam hiar shu ha ka banang ki na ma bele na lor bangila ai sa ki guidebook mo bakin nang pa si Khynnah re ngi pat na kiliang jungi ngim ju da concentrate than ha ki guidebooks mo re ngi ya te stabe ha ka jing shim ya ki class ha ki classroom tingi ju ong ba pendap shwa ki syllabus jong ki textbooks jong ki ge berkhot kelas hadir pat sa lada you don't come esa consult ki tegi guidebooks tigi Khynnah jungi kim kida ai lu bat met min sim bat nya ya kata kombat ha ju ko poru ha jing ai lat ya kan ki social media bu na pedang ki Khynnah jungi ki ba really ki badon ya kata ka focus ka target Pyndonkam hai ka media balemba ki jing Pyndonkam ki jong ki igi nang ki sempang ki long ki ba sempang ki Khynnah ada ngape ya ka ako jong ka jing keren ka jing pena atlet ka jing keren ka tin pareng ne ki tin hasi ne ki tin kitip ki ba ki le se la dangi shu shim na class kala shukut re ki Pyndonkam ki di media rum ka dak ka jing ti yu ki banang pen kre shu ya ki we exams ki ban sawan hadian ya kata ka jing Pyndonkam ka guidebook ta ko ke liang i ka rap sibun ya ki tu ki Khynnah ki baduna na you could drop out the ki wegi bam yo lat ban sim ban attend class regularly re ya na ko kaliang pat yakni ki ba yo akaju ko por ban sim ban long regular ban attend the class regularly ngimda I mean sim tham makin shu base ban shu shanya beta ka guidebook nyong ko tu ka last option re ki ban kong ek pide ban tip ka duty ban testa shwa ban tip shwa ka text ban lalu ka text adin la wan kata ka exams pat sakan sat sakti ki we kwiru kanang yarap shu te baru ada yang i kayarap hi
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale! Gorgeous. Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, Candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है. Automatic gearbox, ventilated seats, sunroof.
क्यों ना हो, फैमिली का सबसे यंगेस्ट भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.
Skoda.